Hi, everybody. This is Chris, and in this video, we're just going to go over a couple of ways to, a couple of different ways to use Composer, and a couple for Laravel. So the first way is installing Laravel. I used to, now, if you're familiar with the way I used to do things, I used to download Laravel into a folder and then run Composer install, and then add any packages, and then run Composer update. However, now this is they've had this for a while, but I've just now started using it. So I'm just going to cd into my WAMP folder, so WAMP and www. And now what I use is just the create project. Most of you are probably already using this, but for those of you who aren't using it, I suggest you do use it because it's much easier. And I'm just going to throw this into a tuts folder. What I'm basically doing is say Composer. Um, Let me add an O here. Composer, create a project, and it's going to be from Laravel. And the folder that I want to install it to is going to be the tuts folder in the www directory. So hit enter, and it's going to go ahead and start installing Laravel. But as most Composer applications are, it's kind of slow. So here we go. It's going to go ahead and start installing. The most current version isn't 4.1.27. As of this video, the most current version is 4.1.28, but it won't install that. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video while it's installing, and I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. It's finished installing, and it has also set our application key for us. So let's just make sure that the folder is actually in there. So let's go here. I'll bring up Launchy here, and I'll just say C:\WAMP /www. Go in, and there is tuts right there. And there's everything. Next, if say we just wanted to go ahead and we want to install a generator. So I'm going to install Jeffrey Wade's generators. But instead of going into the composer.json file, we can do it from the command line now. And to do that, first we need to go ahead and cd into our new directory. So cd wamp and www and tuts. Okay. Next, we need to run composer require. And this will write directly to your composer.json file. So we can say way generators and then 2.star or dev master. Then hit space. If we wanted to add another package, we could simply start typing here. So we can say like card list. And we were going to add the card list package, but we're not going to. So we'll just go ahead and hit enter here. And the composer.json file has been updated. And now it's going to go ahead and run the composer.update, or composer update rather. It's just a lot faster way, and I don't even have to. And while it's doing this, I can just go ahead and open the file in PHPStorm. So I'm just going to wait for it to open the file directory. And there's tuts right there. I can go ahead and open that. I'll open it in a new window. Let's go over here to it. And there, go ahead and write. I'm still updating. So let it go ahead and finish updating the dependencies. Oh, it should have gone ahead and already updated this. Let's see. Yes, it's already updated that. Composer's being slow this morning. And while it's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and go into the app.config, so app.php, and scroll down to our providers here and go ahead and add that provider. I'm going to say way. Oops, over that. Way generators, service provider. A comma here. Please save that, and now we can bring up a terminal here. And let's go ahead and run a migration. So I'm just say PHP artisan generate migration. And we're going to call this a users table. We're going to create a users table rather. We're going to say create users table. We're going to go ahead and add some fields. And we're just going to say email, string, password, string, close it out, press enter, and there we go. It's already created our migrations table. So let's go up here and just type create. And there we go. There it is right there. And there's our users table. So really not any new composer commands. It is just some faster ways to get up and running with Laravel. So stay tuned for our next tutorial.